December 15, 2021. Really pretty serious snowstorm hit. You can just see on this trail how thick it is. It's really unbelievable. Look, I got my own Christmas tree too. How cool is that? And these guys, usually these snow guys don't show up until like 9:30. It's like 5 a.m. I'm impressed. It is crazy. It is. Look at that, man. That is just unreal. That is a real storm. Those mountains must have just been hit heavy. It doesn't seem to want to focus. Yeah. Crazy, man. Look at that. Wow. That is a real storm. Now I gotta dig the truck out. I'm not gonna drive the wagon in this stuff. Alright, gang. Got you on next YouTube. I get to ski down the street today, which is real cool.